this picture was taken in the place of our friends. So there are meron pong kasunod na picture yan na makikita nyo po na puro pera lang ang laman.
No, maybe you can identify the people in the picture first so that we can have more context. Who are the personalities involved, and are these personalities named by anyone in the course of the inquiry already? Sino po yung mga nasa litrato?
There are previous employees of Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po yung itong mga ito? Mga pangalan, kailangan po magbigay ng pangalan.
Dating Assistant District Engineer po Rafaelito Marcelo, dati pong Maintenance Chief Ernesto Daos, Planning Chief Ernesto Galang, Administrative Officer Evelyn De Jesus, Chief Ruben Santos ng Materials and Testing, at yung accountant po namin na si Chief Jun Mendoza, at saka si District Engineer Henry Alcantara po, ang aming boss, at saka po si
Mr. Chair?
si Yusek Robert Bernardo po.
Would it be possible kung may isa-isa, kaya bang ma-point yung mga faces on the screen?
Okay na yan siguro. I think everyone, the names had been stated already. It's okay, Congresswoman Ko. Thank you. Okay, we can proceed to the next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila, hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, you have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
we have to
sorry.
state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa 10th po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear, who are the personalities? Please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara, and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please. So what is the context of this picture for the benefit of people that are looking? Can you describe who had taken this picture and kindly explain the context, please?
Kung maalala ko po, ako po ang nagpicture nito. Kasi dyan lang po ako nakakita ng ganyan karaming pera. First time ko po yan. Kaya pinicturean ko, natuwa po ako. And po, that's for inaayos po ni boss yan.
Mr.
For-
Chair, sino yung taong yun na naka-blue?
Can you state for the record, sino po yung napicturean na nakatayo sa harap po ng mga pera?
Yung half body po, si Boss Henry Alcantara ko po yan.
Okay. Kanino binigay ang pera, Mr. Chair? Kanino binigay ang perang yan?
Sorry. Sige, pakikwento po muna yung what is the context of this picture?
Yan po, ang context po niyan is, kung makikita niyo po, magkakahiwalay po yung pera. May mga designated person po na pagbibigyan yan, Your Honor.
So,
Can he name them kung sino pagbibigyan ng mga perang yan?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
sino po daw yung pagbibigyan ng mga pera po na yan, supposedly?
Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ni boss na sa mga...
All right, next picture, please.
Chair. Pwede lang po maklarify saan ang lugar at anong date ng picture na yan.
Saan daw po yung lugar at saan yung date?
Sa office po namin yan, sa Bulacan First District Engineering Office.
Okay, napakalinaw po. May limpak-limpak na salapi sa district office mismo.
Kailan?
No? At kailan?
I believe mga 2022 po or 2023 yan.
Alright.
Something like
Chair,
that.
meron namang mga paraan para ma-determine yung precise
Yeah.
date. Diba?
I
Yung
think we will get
metadata
the
nung-
we will get the
Impor-
metadata of
Yes,
this
importante
for
po yun.
submission.
At
Yes.
to clarify, pasensya na po, to clarify lang po, normal po ba sa opisina ng gobyerno, ng DPWH, na merong ganyang piles of cash sa mga transaksyon ng gobyerno?
Please
Sa mga
respond.
regular na transaksyon ng gobyerno?
Please respond, Mr. Engineer Hernandez, please.
Sa
All right. Just answer, please.
Sa
Then
office-
we will proceed.
sa office po namin, normal po yan.
Okay, next picture, please.
Mr. Chair, just to clarify, Mr. Chair,
Okay, Congressman
Pakita nga
Sotay.
isang picture po.
kay Engineer Bryce yung on the lower right portion ng picture. Can we go back to the
Pakibalik
picture?
daw po.
Yan, may papel, yung bond paper.
Opo.
Yung bond paper sa may nakasulat. Yan. Ano yan? Rundown ng project ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, mayroon akong tanong kanina.
All right.
Sinabi niya,
Next picture, please.
sinabi niya na mayroong nakatoka na tatanggap niyan. Gusto kong malaman kung sino ang mga taong dapat tumanggap niyan. Alam niya eh.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung sino. Basta kami po, inuutusan lang po na ayusin yung mga pera. Itong amount na to para sa ganito, ihanda mo dyan, may pagbibigyan yan. Ganun lang po, sinesegregate po namin yung mga pera. Yun lang po. And the rest, kagaya nga po ng sabi ko, is ang
Yan,
politiko
look
po,
at that.
ang politiko or yung proponent po, si Boss Henry lang po ang kausap.
Okay,
Ano
next
yan?
picture.
Mr. Chair, para ba yan sa project?
Next picture. Can we explain?
Mr. Chair,
Well,
para
Congressman
ba yan sa
Abante.
project o sa tao? Bibigay ba yan sa tao o para sa project yan?
Yes.
Please respond.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, ibibigay po yan sa tao. Yung nga pong tinatawag na proponent, nakausap niya.
For that particular picture, alam po ba natin kung sino ang pagbibigyan?
To be honest, Your Honor, hindi ko po matandaan na. Kasi
Alright.
that's way back a couple of years ago na.
Okay, this is a next picture with another set of piles of cash. Ano po yung context nitong litrato pong ito?
Ito po, kung ipinakita nyo yung nakita po na pinakaunang pictures na marami pong tao, this is the same exact place. So, ibig ko pong sabihin dito, sa tambayan po namin yan eh. So, yan po yung, dyan po pine-prepare yung mga pera na for delivery with regard sa mga proponent na kausap ni Boss Henry Alcantara.
Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng tambayan? Is this within the building of Bulacan First or is it a different area?
No, private resident po siya na nilagyan po ng bilyaran na para we can hang out after office hours, ganun po. Within the vicinity of the of our office.
Sino po yung rinenta ba yan o binili o merong may-ari niyan?
Yes po, meron pong alam ko po kaibigan po ni Boss Henry Alcantara ang may-ari niyan.
Alright. Pero hindi po, first, to be clear, hindi po ito sa building ng Bulacan First.
Yes po, hindi po 'yan sa building ng DPWH.
At hindi naman din ho si D. Alcantara ang may-ari, ibang tao.
Hindi po,
Chair.
hindi po si Boss Henry.
Alright.
Mr. Chair, gusto
Congressman
kong
Benedict.
tanungin si Engineer Alcantara tungkol sa mga bagay na yan, kung ina-accept niya o dinideny niya. Sapagkat kanina, marami siyang sinabing kasinungalingan eh. Engineer
Sige,
Alcantara,
patapusin mo na daw yung mga litrato,
tapusin mo
Congressman
na.
Benny.
Meron pa ba? Meron pa?
Please, kumpletuhin daw muna natin yung mga litrato. Next slide. Alright. There is a text.
Your Honor,
I think this is a Viber message.
Yes, that's disappearing message, Your Honor.
Can you read, Engineer Bryce, the name of the person that is there, that is stated in the Viber message, and the content of the message, please?
Your Honor, if may I recommend Engineer JP Mendoza to read the actual message because he's the one who took the photos personally from our boss Henry Alcantara.
All right. Sige po, pakibasa na lang po. This is the final slide.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Before I proceed, kagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina, dahil medyo maselan po itong conversation na to, baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security kung sakali.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and resource persons who are here, who are committed to the truth, no? So the same will be granted to Engineer Mendoza. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, yung picture po na yan ay nung October 2023 na kung saan nagre-request po si Senator Joel ng yung mga binasa po ni Engineer Bryce ng flood control kanina na nakasaad doon sa context. 4 lang po yung napapicturan sa akin ng boss ko. Kumbaga, parang sa summary po na yan na sinasabi ni Senator Joel na mababa lang yung kanyang pondo, subalit siya ang majority floor, isa siya ang majority floor leader siya nung that time and member siya ng Commission on Appointment.
Okay. Thank you for providing the context, but you have to state for the record who this person is. Is this Senator? Nakalagay na po kasi Sen Joel eh. So, is this the senator that we know? Joel Villanueva?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you read for the record also the content, the specific content of the message?
Again, naguguluhan ako bigla kay Sec. Parang nakalimutan ba niya? Number 1, probs sa flood control and all the efforts we put in. Number 2, for his CEA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin. Pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary.
All right. Do we have another slide for us? Oh, ito mas malinaw po.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang. Kanino sinend yung message and sino yung SEC? When dun sa message, you're referring to a SEC. Sino yung SEC?
Secretary Manny Bunoan po.
Okay? Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Kay Boss Henry po.
Okay,
Bakit
thank
kami
you.
kopya?
Dahil disappearing message po yan, hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot. Pinapicturean po niya para mabasa po.
Okay. Kanino pinapicturan?
Sa akin po.
All right. Thank you. So, phone to basically ni District Engineer Alcantara. All right. Next slide. Do we have other slides? Can we go back again? Go back to the pangalawang ano yan, di ba? Can we read for the record? Excuse me po. Manong. Can we ayan, second slide. Next slide. Yan. Can we read for the record what is in the second message? Para lang po malinaw. Again, this is a conversation supposedly between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, which is supposedly a disappearing message, no? Tapos pinapicturan kay Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po. Can you read it for the record, please?
For his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin, pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary. Ngayon parang lumalabas same na ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan namin, boss, bukas, boss. So, can relay to SEC po.
Okay, all right, thank you. Next slide. This is another slide which is the same context. All right. Sige po, just read it for the record. This is another slide. Conversation between Senator Joel and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po.
Yes, boss. See you po bukas 6 p.m. sa GIL. Majority leader tayo, hindi kong or just one CA member. Yes, boss, I will.
All right, that is clear. Next slide, please.
May atraso DPWH sa
Sorry,
akin.
I have to provide the context. Again, this is another screenshot. This is the fourth picture. Conversation between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Picture taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Please proceed with reading the contents.
May atraso DPWH sa akin. So if he treats me na isa lang issue, he's not respecting me.
All right. Nabasa na ba? All right, next slide, please. Who is this person? Who?
That's from my phone, Your Honor. This is maybe nagkabaliktad po. Yung susunod po ang una. Ito po. This was way back 2022. The time when Beng Ramos was introduced to me by my boss, D. Alcantara. And sinabi niya dito na may project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara sa kanya. So, from WJ Construction, yung ano po, yung tao. And related sa kanya si Miss Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator Jinggoy. Dito po is
So,
conversation.
excuse me, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
Staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right, please proceed.
This was the time na meron pong project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara kay Miss Beng Ramos through Miss Mina of WJ Construction. So, yun po yung ginamit na license or contractor. At nandyan po yung pag-uusap kung kailan po magde-deliver ng obligasyon dahil kailangan po ni Boss Henry.
All right. Sige po. Okay. Hindi, okay na. All right. Sige po. We will give District Engineer Henry Alcantara, before proceeding to the different topic na po, we will give you the right to reply.
Yung pong huling picture, wala naman pong binabanggit na ako po yan eh. Siya po ang kausap. Yung una po, yung kay Senator Joel, ang tanda ko po dyan, nagre-request po siya ng mga multipurpose building, yung secretary at that time. Tapos po, nung nandun po kami sa hearing sa Senate, kinausap ko po siya, sabi niya, nagre-request ako kay secretary, papalo up po na lang. Yun lang po yan. Wala naman po nakalagay dyan na ako'y may transaksyon ng financial sa kanya. Nagre-request po siya, normal lang po, nagre-request po siya ng multipurpose building, additional po sana, para mailagay po sa Bulacan po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
All right,
Chair,
thank you.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute. Tanong ko lang, yung dun sa pera, ano explanation niya po?
Your Honor, yung pera po na yun, yung nasa bahay na po yun, I think po, yan po ay pera ng contractor po na nakolekta, nagamit ang ibang lisensya, doon lang po dinala, at nagkatuwaan po na picturean po yan. That's not for the proponent, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, we will proceed.